Hi, Joseph Lagman, aka Kavlog Vlog, and welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's vlog, it's about 6:20 in the morning, and we are here in Catigan, Davao City to witness the sunrise. I'll be going on a 360 turn there. This is the view here. You like it? Yes. I hope you like it. But it's a bit cloudy, so I've been into Davao for the end time. And I've been to Boracay, Cebu, and Bohol, Puerto Princesa, but I haven't had the chance to witness the sunrise. But now I'm like to witness here in Davao City. It's kind of cold here. I hope it won't rain. It is a bit cloudy, and there are campsite here. If you want to go here in Davao City, there is a place wherein you can stay. There are cottages here in Catigan, and you can travel here. It's a wonderful place. And camp here and bring your tent. You can sleep over with your friends. Here's the side. Over there's the sea, right? Can you see it? You can hear the chirping of the birds. Yeah. At my back, there are a few kids who are camping. Let's walk a bit. If you come here to Catigan, Davao, there are camping sites, there are cottages wherein you can sleep. You can bring your friends or your family. It's a beautiful place. Whew. What a nice scene here. If you're lovers, well, you can have pictures in here. There are heart shapes. I think there are lovers here who come here and pose here, take a picture of this heart shape. And there. Yes. You can sit here and there. It's like McDonald's, right? But it is a heart shape. Heart shape. And there. There are cottages. If you are a nature lover, you will be amazed by this place because it is really beautiful. When you hear the chirping of the birds, oh, a wonderful place. Over there is the sea. There. There's a sea. But as of now, the sun has been covered by the clouds again. No sunrise for me, but it's okay. It's a wonderful place. Yeah. 360 degrees of our place. It's so serene here, so quiet. Maybe in at night time you can only hear the chirping of the birds and wander around, daydream or night dream, or at night you can see the stars up above and just chill. And maybe you have a bottle of beer with you or with your friends. It's a wonderful place. It's actually a nice place. If you are a nature lover, well, you're gonna like it here. And let's go and walk a bit. It's a grass, and I'm wearing only my slippers. I don't wear my rubber shoes. There are friends there who has been here. Later I'll video them and interview them if I can. But let's go down. It's nice. It's nice. Here in Catigan. It's nice. Look at the landscape. Nice landscape, right? Whew, nice. This place is kind of elevated. The, the sea and the mountains. We're a bit in the mountainside of Davao City. Most probably on my next travel here in Davao, I'll be visiting Mount Apo. I wanted to climb Mount Apo, but I have to schedule myself here for about 3 days. A day hike, a day in the top of the mountains, and a day that you go down. But I talked to some individuals here in Davao. When you climb the Mount Apo, you're gonna carry your weight. But once you go down, uh, they told me their legs is painful because of tiring and exhausting climb. But it is worth it. They told me it's worth it because up in the mountains, it's really beautiful place. It's a really beautiful place. Yeah. Few of us only visited here, but later we will go to somewhere else. But I'd like you to come with me and see what I can see and travel with me and let us walk with me, right? To the places I will be. Nice. There are rooster that it's good morning here in the Philippines. It's about okay. It's about 6:28 in the morning, and really wonderful place. Wow! Oh, you can only hear the chirping of the birds there. Sometimes you need a quiet moment for yourself, and if you need a quiet moment for yourself, you need to come and go to this kind of place. Nature lover, you go to the mountains, or you swim, go to the beach, or if you can do it, go to the beach or go to the mountains. A quiet place in your home will be enough. Just chill and think of all the things that have happened to your life. Like me right now, I'm reminiscing wonderful things that have happened to my life, and to see this wonderful nature, I thank God because it's a wonderful place and I'm alive. And you two who are watching this video, I think you are happy also because you're alive. And let's live life to the fullest. And if ever you had a chance to travel in the mountainous areas or go somewhere else, it's uh, it's a wonderful thing that you'll decide whether or not you'll be traveling. But me, I'm a bit I'm a bit hopeful that someday I can bring my family with me. I have 3 kids, 2 boys and 1 girl, and I can bring my wife here. But I hope she can carry your weight because if you ever you'll go to this place, it's a bit tiring, and you have to really target the place, or you go to somewhere else and you walk. Sometimes it's tiring, but it is worth it. Okay, guys. I hope you like it. We haven't witnessed the sunrise. It is covered by the clouds already, but you can see the place, right? Wonderful place. Okay. Are you happy? Or me, I'm happy. I'm happy because this place is so wonderful. Well, you can go to this place if you won't really intend to. You have to intend to go to this place, because if you won't intend to go to this place or a quiet place, or you won't have a quiet moment with you. Nice chirping of the birds. It's good. There are chickens and the rooster. Nice place. There. Okay, as you can see, that's the sea, and it's been a bit cloudy. Over there is Mount Apo. Well, I hope someday we can climb it. However, the sun has been covered by the clouds. There, the heart shape. There are visitors here. Okay guys, later we will fly our drone. Hi, for those who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, there's a subscribe button. Kindly click it and click on the bell button to be notified on my next vlog. Come on, let's continue our beautiful scenery here in Catigan. Hi guys, Joseph Lagman aka Kavlog, and I think this is the time to wrap up our vlog or our visit here in Catigan. Till next time, this is Joseph Lagman aka Kavlog. Mabuhay! I'm here in McDonald's, Davao City, and I'd like the accent of the guard. Let's listen to what he will say. And this accent on the McDonald's thing. Good morning, welcome to...
Good morning, sir. Welcome to McDonald's.
Wow, nice. Thank you, sir. Guys, andito ngayon ako sa Catigan. Ha? I'm here in Catigan, and with me are my newfound friends. Hi, sir. Shout out. Pangalan nila, sir?
Sai po.
Sai?
Yes po.
From
Davao din po.
Davao. Kaya lang kailan ka nakakita dito?
Isang beses pa lang po nga, ngayon lang.
Ngayon lang.
Magkakapisan eh, kaso sarado pa.
Wala pang kape. Eh kayo, ma'am?
Ano po?
Ano pangalan, ma'am?
Aliza.
Aliza? Kayo, ma'am?
Grace po.
Grace and
Christian.
Christian?
Ano po, Kevin po. Shout out po kang Marvin Bilo po.
Yes, oo. Shout out kanino pa, sir?
Shout out sa maganda kong girlfriend.
Yes! Woo! Sige pa.
Ikaw, Mark, shout
Shout out sa...
Shout out din po sa girlfriend ko na.
Wow! Patang layo!
Shout out part si Kadang Part.
Shout out, Inday.
Inday!
Tulog ka muna.
Oh, tulog. Ay, si Madam, wala pang shout out.
Wala yan.
Shout out kay Marin Bello lang din po.
Okay.
Nandito din po.
Gosh. Bakit gano'n ang layo?
Galing lang po ng away.
Away. Grabe ka, ba-Valentine's lang. Okay. Ang ganda rito. Doon sa Tagum, nakita ko yung laking Christmas tree, ano? Sa Tagum, grabe.
Saan ka pa nakapunta?
Sa Quezon City, doon pa lang, sa Tagum.
Ba't po nang inabot nyo?
Sana mag-ano ako ng yung sunrise. Grabe, wala. Nakoberan eh. Galing ako sa, nagbuhol ako, tag-ulan, nagbora ako, Puerto Princesa, Puerto Galera. Tapos, nag-ano pa ako, Siargao. Wala rin.
Hindi mo pa na-try yung saman?
Ay, hindi pa. Sana nga pupunta. Kaya lang, babalik na eh. Back to Manila.
Sayang po bukid nun, hindi kayo nakaano.
Hindi pa. Sa bukid, sa bukid doon, sa Catigan de Oro din. Wala, hindi pa ako nakakaranas ng
Magandang sunrise.
sunrise. Grabe. Sana nga. O sige.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Sige. Salamat. God bless.
God bless.
Bye-bye.
Mamaya, alas 2 ang flight pa Manila.
Ingat po kayo.
Salamat. God bless po. Thank you.